Not too bad yet, is it, my honors? Now we're going to do two-step problems, and then we're also going to look at fractions after that. But step one, if you have two steps, the first thing you want to do is get the variable term by itself. It just makes life too much easier. So what would I do for plus 1? Well, I want it to turn into 0. So what do you add to 1 to get 0? Or you do the reverse, which is subtract 1. So I'd have 2x equals 10. Then I'm going to divide both sides by 2, the reverse operation of multiplying by 2. Woohoo! And then 2 times 5 is 10, plus 1 equals 11. Ha-ha! This one, opposite of adding 6 is subtracting 6. Now, I want the opposite of x, so the opposite you either multiply or divide by -1. And of course, you have to do it to both sides. So that'd be x equals 11. This one, get the half x by itself. Now, I have a feeling you've done this before. I would think. Maybe not. I don't know. So then multiply both sides by 2. So x equals 6. Here's 3 problems. Now, I would do more examples if I didn't think you did this before, but I have a feeling you did. So do these, freeze the video, do these 3, and then turn me back on and make sure you're doing it right. Okay, so we're going to add 10 to get the 5x by itself. So 5x equals 30, divide by 5, so x equals 6. Here we're going to subtract 8. So -28 equals -2x, divide by -2. So x equals 14. And then check, -2 times 14 is -28, plus 8 is -20. Yay! And then here, I hope you subtracted 8. And then divided by 4. Hey, my peeps. Now, we did one with fractions on the other side, and we got this by itself and then multiplied by the reciprocal. Flip it over, flip it over. But what you can do if you don't like fractions, ooh, they make me nervous, is what you could do is multiply both sides by the LCD, lowest common denominator, of every fraction. So the LCD is 3, 1, 1. So the LCD would be 3. That's the number that all 3 denominators go into. So 1/3 of 3 is 1x, plus 1 times 3 is 3. 7 times 3 is 21. Now I subtract 3. Some people find that it's so much easier not to have to worry about the fractions. So this one, what number does 2 go into? 4 goes into, and 8 goes into. Or another way is this has 3 2's, this has 2 2's, and this has 1 2. This must be from the ballet. Ha ha, 2 2, ah ha ha, sorry. So it's the most 2's that occur, the most of the different types of numbers, 3 2's, 2 2's, 1 2, so we need the 3 2's the most, which is 8. So 1/2 of 8 is 4, 1/4 is 2, and then 8 goes in 8, 1 times 7, subtract 2. Now, this doesn't mean that you're going to have a nice pretty number at the end. It just means you don't have to worry about the fraction to the end. Now, I know this is improper, and middle school teachers go crazy if you have an improper fraction. But in high school, you can leave it improper. Now this one, what number does 3, 6, and 9 all divide into? So this is 3 times 1, 3 times 2, 3 times 3. So 2 3's, 1 3, 1 3, so you need 2 3's. No 2, 1 2, no 2, you need 1 2. Or all 3 numbers go into 18. Now you could use 36, it's just bigger numbers. So 3 goes in 18, that's 6 times. 6 goes in 3 times 1 is 3. 9 goes in 2 times 7 is 14. Subtract 3. And then divide by 6. Again, improper number, but that's okay. The world is full of improper numbers. So hey, try this one right now. Now, if you want to rewrite all of them with the common denominator and then work that way, that's fine. But if you multiply by the LCD, much easier. So freeze the video, do it, and then come back. Okay, good. So what's the LCD? Well, this is 5 times 1, 5 times 2, 2 times 2 times 5. So the LCD is actually 20. 2 2s and a 5. So 5 goes into 20, 4 times 4 is 16. 10 goes into 20 at 2 times 7 is 14. And then 20 goes into 21 times. Now, I'm doing this sort of quick because I'm assuming you've done this before. So it'd be x equals 3/16. So I subtracted 14, then divided by 16. Now, if I ever make a mistake, I apologize. I'm not perfect. So anyways, well, I see it's 6 minutes. I'm not going to do another topic right now. We will move on. So I'll see you in the next video.